Microsoft has just announced its next step in AI integration, COPILOT. This is a new feature that combines the power of chat interfaces and large language models with real-world applications. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about COPILOT and why it's going to change the way you work and play. So COPILOT is basically an everyday AI companion that helps you with a variety of tasks, from finding information on the web to creating content to learning new skills. It is integrated across Microsoft's product range, including Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Edge, and Bing.